Hello everyone, I'm Shenpai, Decoration Fem Huajian. Today, we'll take you to visit our long-term partner, Yaojing Photo Frame. Pay a visit to Mr. Yu, take a tour of their workshop. Mr. Yu, how is your production situation now?
We now have about 13 assembly lines. Basically, everything is fully opened, and what we are currently cooperating with is still. It's always been pretty good. At the same time, your support is indispensable. We have been cooperating with this, including your cooperation, quality service, and product delivery date. Thank you very much for your support. To be honest, they complement each other. I hope you can communicate with each other more often in the future. Communicate more.
We recently newly developed products will also be released as soon as possible. Send it to you to strengthen cooperation.
For quality.
The latest designs and colors are provided to you as soon as possible.
Okay, thank you.